Nvidia just had their earnings call, and here's everything that you need to know about their numbers. So the first metric that we're going to be looking at is Nvidia's revenue, which came in at $46.74 billion year over year. This was a 55.6 increase, and this number was slightly above the consensus of 46.05 billion. The second metric is going to be the earnings per share, which came in at $1.05. This beat the revenue by 4 cents, which was $1.01. Nvidia's data center revenue came in at 41.1 billion. Year over year, this was a 56% increase. This grew 5% sequentially, and it shows that AI demand is still strong. Nvidia's gaming and AI PC revenue came in at $4.3 billion. Year over year, this is a 49% increase and a 14% growth on GPU and AI PC demand. Nvidia's professional visual revenue came in at $601 million. Year over year, this was a 32% increase. Sequentially, this grew 18%. Nvidia's automotive revenue came in at $586 million. Year over year, this is a 69% increase. Sequentially, this grew 3%. Nvidia's non-GAAP gross margin was 72.7%. This was a flat year over year. Nvidia claims that it would have been 72.3%, excluding H20 inventory release. And Nvidia's Q3 guidance revenue, they expect 52.92 to 55.08 billion, and the consensus is going to be 53.43 billion, which is in line with the consensus, right? And their Q3 gross margin is expected to be 73 to 74%. The market is estimating 73.4%, and this is also assuming no China H20 shipments. So Nvidia had pretty solid earnings, but let's look at the chart. So when we look at the Nvidia chart in after hours, we can see that Nvidia dropped around 2.5%, right? Or $4.40 in after hours. Even though Nvidia had pretty solid earnings, this drop is probably a concern from investors regarding their sale of chips to China. You know, Donald Trump has restricted Nvidia's sale of chips to China, and the investors may be concerned about how that may affect future revenue.